A very good morning, student. This is the maths class for standard 4. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 6, multiples and factors. Let us understand first what is multiples. If we multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on by a number, we get the multiples of that number. Like when we multiply 1 by 3, we get the multiples of 3, that is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. So the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. Similarly, 5 is multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. We will get 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25 are multiples of 5. Let us check, is 24 a multiple of 6? Let us divide 24 by 6. So 6 times 4 is equal to 24. We see that 6 divides 24 exactly, leaving no remainder. So 24 is a multiple of 6. Let us do exercise 1, that is on page number 53. Question number 1 is find the first 5 multiples of 4. So student, the first 5 multiples, it means 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 4 into 3, 4 into 4 and 4 into 5 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. So multiples of 4 is equal to 4, 8, 12, 6 and 20. Similarly, the first 5 multiples of 7 is 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. C is find the first 5 multiples of 10 and 12. So the multiples of 10 is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Similarly, the multiples of 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Question number 2 is 28 a multiples of 5? Let us check. Let us divide 28 by 5. 5 times 5 is equal to 25 and we will get 3 as a remainder. So 28 is not a multiple of 7. B is 36 a multiples of 9? Let us divide 36 by 9. 9 times 4 is equal to 36 and we will get 0 as a remainder. So 36 is a multiple of 9. Yes. Now C is 64 a multiples of 8? Let us divide 64 by 8. It's 8 times 8 is equal to 64 and we will get 0 as a remainder. So 64 is a multiple of 8. Question number 3 is encircle the multiples of 9. So student, to find out the multiples of 9, each number has to be divided by 9. And if the remainder, we will get if the remainder is as 0, so that number is multiple of 9. Students, you can see when we divide 54 by 9, we will get 0, we will get 6 and 0 as a remainder. Now we divide 48 by 9, we will get 5 as a quotient and 3 as a remainder. So 48 is not a multiple of 9. Now 60 is divided by 9, we will get 6 as a quotient and 6 as a remainder. So 60 is not a multiple of 9. Now 18 divided by 9, we will get 2 as a quotient and 0 as a remainder. So 18 is a multiple of 9. Now 27 is divided by 9, we will get 3 as a quotient and 0 as a remainder. So 27 is also multiple of 9. Now 49 is divided by 9, we will get 5 as a quotient and 4 as a remainder. So 49 is not a multiple of 9. Now 36 is divided by 9, we will get 4 as a quotient and 0 as a remainder. So 36 is multiple of 9. Now 63 divided by 9, we will get 7 as a quotient and 0 as a remainder. So 63 is also multiple of 9. So 54, 18, 27, 36 and 63 is a multiple of 9. No need to write this work. Let us understand first what is common multiples. LCM. The full form of LCM is lowest common multiples. Let us see what is common multiples. A number which is a multiple of 2 or more number is called common multiples. The smallest common multiple is called the lowest common multiple, that is LCM. Let us understand in exercise 2. Question number 1 is list the first 10 multiples of the following number. Find the common multiples and write the LCM also. Question number A is 2 and 3. So student, first we find the multiples of 2 and multiples of 3. So the first 10 multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now multiples of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Let us find the common multiples of 2 and 3 is 6, 12, 18. So the common multiples of 2 and 3 are 6, 12 and 18. And find the LCM, it means lowest common multiples. 6 is lowest than 12 and 18. So 6 LCM is equal to 6. Now B is find the common multiples of 4 and 5. So first we find the multiples. 10 multiples of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. Now multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Let us find the common multiple. The common multiple of 4 and 5 is 20 and 40. So the common multiples 20 and 40. So 20 is smaller than 40. So LCM is 20. Now question number C is find the common multiples of 8 and 10. So first we need the find multiples of 8, that is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 18. Now find the first 10 multiples of 10 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 19 and 100. Let us find the common multiples of 8 and 10, that is 40 and 80. Now the common multiple is 40 and 80, and at 40 is smaller than 80, so 40 is the lowest common multiple. Now your homework is question number E and F of question number 1 and D of question number 2 of exercise 1, that is on page number 53. Now question D of question number 1 of exercise 2, that is on page number 55.